Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I test an indicator that claims to be a better version of the MACD over a series of 100 trades to see how it performs. So really interesting thing about this indicator is it essentially combines stochastic with MACD and claims to have better entries than the MACD does. So since the MACD tends to get in really late to the party, this one will apparently do it earlier. And that sometimes is good, sometimes not. So we're going to have to test it 100 times in a row to see if it performs well or not. This was requested down in the comments of another video, so I didn't find this indicator on my own. I didn't know about it actually. This is the first time I've seen it, and it's very interesting and cool. I like the indicator at first glance. So seems like it has those stochastic oversold, overbought zones. But 75 line and a 25 line. And I'm just going to keep it on its default settings. I'll show you the indicator and the author here in just a sec. So STC indicator at better MACD. It says it right in the title. You can read the notes if you want. So the strategy I'm going to be testing here is just going to use a simple ATR stop loss using this ATR stop loss indicator on default settings. And I'll show you that indicator as well, since people tend to ask about the ATR stop loss indicator. Let's see, where is that indicator? Here it is, trailing stop loss multiple of ATR by Blue Phantom. And then just a 200 EMA for filtering out the trend direction. So how it's going to work is I'm going to be taking long positions only when the cross up happens below the 25 line, taking short positions only when the cross down happens above the 75 line here. And obviously the 200 EMA is going to be that trend filter, so you can only take the longs when the price is above 200 EMA. You can only take the shorts when price is below the 200 EMA. So I'll just show a couple examples here. So this candle right here, we get that cross up, and stop loss goes to the stop loss indicator, targeting 2 times the risk for this 100 tests, and that's a winner. Then let's see our next cross up right here. Looks like this one gets stopped out, so that's a loss, and then cross up right here, and looks like this one is a winner. All right, so that's the simple strategy. I don't know how it's going to do, but I like the indicator so far. Looks pretty cool, and I like the concept. So let's get into the testing. 100 test time. The results are in after 100 back-tested trades, and then TradingView crashed. I'm not sure what's going on. I can't get it to open back up, but everything else is working online for me, so I think TradingView must be down. Not sure what's going on there, but anyway, I'm on a WordPad now. So 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, 3.5 months of price data to find those 100 signals. 44 of them were winners, 56 were losses. The max winning streak was 7, max losing streak was 8, and gain on the account 32%. So pretty good, actually quite a good job for this indicator, and it was almost identical in results to the MACD strategy. So it's definitely a worthy indicator of further investigation, and I think a potential worthy candidate for part of a decent trading system or good trading system. So this definitely is a usable indicator. I enjoyed the indicator. It really felt like a cross between the stochastic and MACD when I was going through and doing the tests. It gave quite a few signals, but not quite as many as stochastic, I don't believe. I would have to go in and compare the two to really confirm what I'm saying. But, it gave more than the MACD, and it gives the entry at what seemed like a halfway point between the really early entries of the stochastic and the late entries of the MACD, which is a good thing in my opinion, because you don't want too many and too early entries as the stochastic will give, but you also don't want to get in too late or you missed out on the trend, which the MACD does a lot of the time. So I enjoyed the indicator. I think it's a worthy indicator to try it out with your system, and I had fun checking it out. Thank you to the person who commented and mentioned this indicator. Shout out to you. But anyway, thank you for watching very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you've been watching the videos and you enjoy. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out in the future, so don't worry. I'm pretty busy right now, so just hang in with me. I'm definitely going to be doing, a small account challenge, a lot more trading psychology stuff, but I do have to focus a lot on the strategies and indicators, as the channel is new, and those types of videos definitely draw in a lot more people, get more clicks, subscribers, and just when growing a channel from a really small start, you kind of have to do what's optimized to grow the channel, or it's never going to get off its feet, or it'll just take many years before I can actually get anyone watching the content. So definitely more of the trading psychology, really important stuff coming down the line once I feel it's the right time, and also when I personally have a lot more free time, I think that it'll be good for me to do a small account challenge to just really help with kind of the idea of sticking to a rigid system and just trading the strategy relentlessly and growing a count over time, just so you can see how it's done. So anyway, with my little spiel, I think that's it for now. Thank you very much to all the people who watch the videos, and don't forget to like the video, comment if you have questions or suggestions. A lot of the time I'll do suggestions just like this one. If it's worthy for a video, I normally will check it out and kind of filter and say, hey, is this indicator or strategy that the person wants to see tested, is it worthy of a test, or is it worthy of a video? And a lot of the time they're not, but a lot of the time they are. Sometimes I get halfway through testing it and it's complete failure, so I won't finish the video on it. But anyway, that's that, and have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.